The premier Waterhole Chalet. This is the most popular accommodation option offered at Okaukuejo Resort in the Etosha Park. This double-story chalet with a balcony overlooking the waterhole gives off a prestige vibe with a touch of feeling at home in this two-bedroom stay. Downstairs, we start off with a cozy lounge area where you could all gather and unwind. Bring along some board games or just simply chill and spend some quality time with your loved ones. Walking into the first bedroom, you'll find two single beds nicely draped in a lace mosquito net for a good night's rest. Okaukuejo Camp opened in 1957 and was the first place for tourists to stay and experience a safari in Etosha. Today, Okaukuejo's rooms, chalets, camping sites, and its night-lit waterhole is still a favorite for where to stay inside the park. Simplicity and cleanliness will bring you close to godliness. This modern setup is immersed in all the bathroom necessities such as a wash basin, decent lighting along with a mirror, a lovely shower, clean towels, and a flushing toilet and complimentary toiletries. The wardrobes provide enough space for your luggage and have extra blankets for those chilly nights. An in-room safe is provided for your valuable personal belongings, as well as your peace of mind. The air cooling system in the chalet gives off a refreshing cool atmosphere for those dry, hot days in the savannah. Before the stairs going up into the second bedroom, you'll find a cabinet. Inside is a mini bar fridge that has been set up for you and your convenience. Everything you'll need to make a cozy drink is available for you to brew your favorite cup. Going up the stairs into the second bedroom of this prestige chalet, you're welcomed by this beautiful double bed draped in a mosquito net. Upstairs, the bedroom has a spacious en-suite bathroom with a his and hers wash basin, a shower, flushing toilet, clean towels, mirrors, and complimentary toiletries. The highlight of Okaukuejo Camp is the waterhole that you can view from inside the camp. Animals come in and out all day to quench their thirst, cool down, or roll in the mud. When the sun sets, carefully placed lights illuminate the waterhole, allowing you to continue watching the procession of animals that frequent Okaukuejo's famous waterhole. You can expect to see many different animals, including elephants, rhinos, lion, giraffe, zebra, springbok, and so much more.